Hello, everyone.
Hello, welcome back. Welcome to Learn English with us.
We are so happy you're here. My name is Harry.
And I'm Emma. Today we're covering a very useful topic, how to talk about the weather in English.
Why is weather talk so important, Emma?
It's the perfect conversation starter. When you meet someone, talking about the weather is safe and easy. Everyone experiences it.
You're right. Nice day, isn't it? Is something everyone understands. Let's start with the basics.
Ready. Our first words are about what we see in the sky. First, sunny.
Sunny means the sun is shining brightly. We say, it is sunny today.
Next, cloudy. This is the opposite. Clouds are hiding the sun and the sky is gray. We say, it is cloudy today.
Then, rainy. Water drops from the sky. We say, it is rainy today. Or use the verb, it is raining.
Finally, for the basics, windy. This means the air is moving fast. We say, it is windy today. Harry, let's teach our listeners how to start the conversation using those words.
Oh, that's practical.
The easiest way, state the obvious and use a tag question.
Like, beautiful day, isn't it?
Perfect. Or, if it's bad, terrible weather, right? You expect agreement.
We can also be direct, especially if talking to someone in another city. How's the weather there?
Another great phrase is an exclamation. What a beautiful day.
Now let's talk about temperature, how hot or cold it is.
When it's very hot, we say, it's very hot, or the fun British expression, it's boiling hot.
Boiling means extremely hot, like water at 100 degrees Celsius. If it's comfortable, we say, it's warm.
On the opposite side, when it's very cold, we say, it's very cold, or it's freezing.
Freezing means cold enough for water to turn to ice, 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's slightly cold but pleasant, we call it cool.
Remember, be clear if you are using Celsius or Fahrenheit, because 20 degrees Celsius is warm, but 20 degrees Fahrenheit is freezing.
Let's dive deeper into rain. It comes in many forms.
When the rain is very light, just tiny drops, we say, it's drizzling.
When it's very heavy, we say it's pouring.
And don't forget the fun idiom for extremely heavy rain. It's raining cats and dogs.
That's a great one. We can also say rain is coming when the sky looks dark.
Now for the cold stuff, snow. When snow is light, we call them flurries. It's flurrying lightly.
Normal snow is just it's snowing, but heavy snow with strong wind is a blizzard. Very dangerous.
What about that mix of rain and snow? That's sleet, frozen rain.
And finally, ice. When roads are frozen, they are icy.
Be careful of black ice. It's invisible and looks like a wet road, but it's very slippery. Let's talk about serious weather, storms.
A common storm is the thunderstorm, which has thunder, the loud sound, and lightning, the bright flash.
Always remember to stay indoors during a thunderstorm, as lightning is very dangerous.
We also talked about hail, those little balls of ice that fall during a storm.
Moving back to wind, when it's gentle, it's a breeze. A cool breeze is blowing.
When the wind is very strong, it's called a gale. We hear about gale warnings when it's dangerous.
An extreme storm with very powerful winds is a hurricane, or typhoon or cyclone, depending on the location. Winds are over 119 kilometers per hour.
And the spinning wind that looks like a funnel, that's a tornado. If there's a warning, get to shelter immediately.
You can also describe where the wind comes from. There's a cold north wind blowing.
How do we talk about the future weather, Emma? We need the weather forecast.
We use the phrase, the forecast says, or it will be, or it's going to be.
For example, the forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow.
If we are not sure, we use might. It might rain later, meaning maybe, maybe not.
Forecasts also use percentages. 80% chance of rain means it is almost certain.
We also discuss the high and low temperatures. The high is the maximum, usually during the day, and the low is the minimum, usually at night.
Finally, let's quickly cover the 4 seasons.
Spring is mild and brings new life. April showers bring May flowers.
Summer is the hottest. We say it's sweltering when it's uncomfortably hot.
Autumn, or fall, is cool and pleasant as the leaves change color.
Winter is the coldest and darkest, bringing snow and ice in some regions.
How do we talk about the future weather, Emma? We need the weather forecast.
We use the phrase, the forecast says, or it will be, or it's going to be.
For example, the forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow.
If we are not sure, we use might. It might rain later, meaning maybe, maybe not.
Forecasts also use percentages. 80% chance of rain means it is almost certain.
We also discuss the high and low temperatures. The high is the maximum, usually during the day, and the low is the minimum, usually at night.
Finally, let's quickly cover the 4 seasons.
Spring is mild and brings new life. April showers bring May flowers.
Summer is the hottest. We say it's sweltering when it's uncomfortably hot.
Autumn, or fall, is cool and pleasant as the leaves change color.
Winter is the coldest and darkest, bringing snow and ice in some regions.
Harry, let's end with some fun weather idioms that people use every day.
I love these. First, under the weather.
This means feeling sick or unwell. I'm feeling under the weather today.
Next, weather the storm.
To survive a difficulty or get through a hard time. We'll weather this storm together.
How about every cloud has a silver lining?
This is optimistic. It means there's something good in every bad situation.
And our promise phrase, come rain or shine.
It means no matter what happens or no matter the weather, I'll be there come rain or shine.
Last one, on cloud 9.
This means extremely happy. I was on cloud 9 after my exam.
Wow, Emma, we covered so much today.
Yes, our listeners now have all the tools to talk about the weather, from a gentle breeze to a full hurricane.
Practice these words and phrases every day. Look outside and describe what you see.
Weather talk is easy and very useful.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned a lot.
Join us next time for more English learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.